Hello, hello, beautiful souls, and welcome to my channel. My name is Donya, and today I'm so excited to take you on a magical journey into the heart of music, where you'll discover how to create your very own medicine song. Whether you're a seasoned musician or never touched an instrument before, this space is for you. So here we can embrace the art of the free play, tapping into our inner creativity without any formal musical training. So imagine a place where the only rule is to let our spirit soar, where the gentle strumming of our instrument, the ukulele, the guitar, or handpan, you can connect with the deepest part of the self and the world around you. So together we explore the Muladhara chakra, our root chakra, and it's the foundation of our existence. This journey isn't just about playing notes, it's about finding your inner harmony, crowning yourself, and letting your authentic self shine through your music. So grab your instrument, whatever it is. Especially, I prefer ukulele and guitar, so maybe you're ukelista, keep it, touch it. Open your heart, join me as we dive into the beautiful practice of creating soulful, healing melodies. Let's embrace this moment of pure spiritual expression. Remember, the music we create today is a reflection of our innermost being, a testament to our journey and our connection to mothers. Are you ready to unlock the power of your root chakra and let your creativity flow freely? So let's begin this enchanting adventure together. Hit the subscribe button, please. Give this video a thumb up, and let's spread love and joy of the free play music to everyone who seeks it. So, in the deepest layers of our being lies the foundation of our existence. This is the Muladhara chakra, called the root chakra, situated between the coccyx and pelvis bone. It connects us the fundamental aspect of life and serves as starting point of our personal development, I would say. Let us delve so in the essence of this chakra and discover how we can harness its power and find harmony in our lives. Does it sound great? So, buddies, so join this journey, and later I play a little example, and we check out how we can work it out. So, the Muladhara chakra has the root node, or the key of C. And so it's situated in our lower body, and it connects us with the earth and firmly ground us. So if we feel like lost and flying through the universe, play in the key of C, or use a tuning fork, or tune your instrument, especially the guitar, in the frequency of 194.18 hertz. It's the tone of the day, and it's developed by Hans Kusto through the cosmic octave. And this frequency can energize and vitalize us and strengthen us. So it's just the frequency, and you can play anything you want on your instrument, any scale, any chord, whatever you want. So I don't do an example about that. I just gave you an advice what you can do without thinking and doing. Tune your instrument in 194.18, and you have the key, the tone of the day, and play to support yourself through the art of the free play. So, as a music coach, for me it's important that you are not only grow musically, but you have to grow personally. So this chakra, what I told you, the root chakra, is closely connected with our primal instinct and our relationship to the material world. So as you need something like this, play in the key of C. So it represents our physical identity and our relationship to our physical body and the external reality. So if you want to do something about that for yourself to get grounded and connected to Mother Earth, do this. So through playing it, you can opening and balancing this chakra, and we can develop some deeper self-confidence and cultivate a healthy body and awareness. So this key is like overcoming for external fears, social anxiety, and the feeling of a lack of purpose. So if you want to support yourself, play in the tone, in the key of C, or what I told you before, in the frequency of 194.18 hertz. So this can have a powerful effect on the Kundalini energy too. It will vitalize our entire being. So be aware what you were doing if you use this frequency or in playing in the key of C. Because this chakra reminds us that our roots are very deeply anchored in the earth and give us strength to move through life with firmness and calm. Connection with our inner essence and utilizing our creativity and abilities, we can find the healing and the harmony we long for. So try to play just the regular C chord. And check out where it's touching you, what kind of magic will happen, or use a different variation of the chord, play it in a higher layer. Maybe it reaches you more in a higher layer. Just listen to yourself where the connection and the grounding starts. And you can jump between the different C chord shapes from the higher register to the lower register, or go back to the first, to the ground. Or play in between. Just a little bit of the scale. So try to get connected to the chords, to the scale. Use the cage system. The cage system I already explained in many tutorials before, or download the PDF or buy my book, what I'm writing for, and everything is super explained. But for the moment, we just don't want to stay in our head. We want to get grounded and connect with our lower body, with Mother Earth, and feeling what's going on through the connection with our inner essence, and try to find the healing and harmony we belong for. So, yes, let's walk together on this path of self fulfillment and spiritual development, experience the beauty and abundance of life and all this splendor. So, what can I say? So, get connected and play and get touched. So, I don't want to show you what you have to do. For me, the most important thing is to get touched by the music and find yourself and reach yourself. So I will play the C chord now in different variations, or do some strummings. I have no clue. I want to do now a meditation through the C chord or the tone of C to get connected with our root chakra, and maybe I am creating a medicine song right from the moment. And I wish you fun, enjoy it, have a happy meditation, and afterwards you have to do the same. Just play the regular C chord. All those chords are explained in my other tutorials. Check them out. The Kate system, and you will have fun. But I don't want yourself in your head. I want yourself in your heart, in your creativity. Jump on this magic carpet of music. Let your vibrations and inner peace flow, and enjoy the meditation for the root chakra. Love you, see you for the next tutorial where we talk about the second chakra.